Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today we'll be showing you around this approved used Audi Q3 Sportback Black Edition 35 TFSI. It comes dressed in the stunning Mythos black, sure to turn heads when on the road. To the rear you have the privacy glass, adding a touch of mystery to the car's profile, and at the time of this recording the car's done just over 20,811 miles. Driving on 19-inch alloy wheels with a 5-twin arm design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs, as well as those large items such as pushchairs and suitcases. To the rear you have the stylish leather upholstery, with the centre armrest with 2 cup holders for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As we take a look around, you can see there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the flat bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery with the iconic S embossed logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide 3D view of the satellite navigation map. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth, in the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, or comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid, for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Back on the main menu, media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations, and navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the dual zone climate control, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside. Stay connected on the go with the 2 USB charging points. Finished off with the all-important manual gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile, with 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. This approved used Audi Q3 Sportback is now available on site. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.